Guys, welcome back to Joe's tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. So open up your TikTok profile, guys, and once you click on your profile in the lower right hand side, you will see that you have the edit profile button. Now the one that you're seeing at the top is basically how to add story. So this is not how you change your profile picture. So you have to edit your profile first, then you have the option to change your profile picture. So you tap on that and you can just select from your gallery, or you can take a picture. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just select something here. So let's say I want to use this picture here. I'm going to tap on that, then click on that, and you'll be able to save and post it. So as you can see here, I now have my picture changed. So I'm going to click on save, and you can see right there that I have my profile picture change on TikTok. So if I click save and post, for example, here, you will see that I now have that picture change. And that's it, guys. I now have my new profile picture change on my TikTok account. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.